Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where Windows 11 personalized settings are not responding, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager. Let it load. Right click on the Windows Explorer process and restart it. If you don't find the process here, just scroll down to the absolute bottom and you'll find it in the background processes. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and go to Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is to update Windows, so right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. And the last solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.